Welcome once again. So today we will solve two more problems on percentage. Okay, so this is example number 3. Now in this example we have, okay, I'll read out the question. It says that Sonu invested 10% more than Mona, okay, and Mona invested 10% less than Raghu. If the total sum of the investment is rupees 5780, how much amount did Raghu invest? Okay, so now this question is in a cyclic manner, wherein we are told that one person is investing some money, then connected to that some other person is investing another money, okay, and final the last person, that is Mona, is investing this much 10% less money than Raghu. Okay, so and all the investment of the all these three persons, that is Sonu, Raghu and Mona, it comes to 5780. Okay, so for this reason first we have to find out separately what is their investment, each of their investment. Now here we are told that how much amount did Raghu invest. So here I'll start with, let the amount which Raghu invest be rupees X. Okay, I am not writing in detail. Okay, so let the amount that Raghu invest be X. Okay, now we'll go from here. Now here what does it say? It says that whatever Mona is investing, it is 10% less than Raghu. Okay, Raghu's income we know now, but Mona is investing 10% less than Raghu. So first we have to find out what is the 10% of Raghu's money, and then we have to subtract it from Raghu's money. Okay, so now here I'll write Mona's investment is equal to, she is investing 10% less than Raghu. Okay, so this is X minus 10x upon 100. Okay, because now she is investing 10% less than Raghu, that means Raghu's amount is more. Okay, so this I have written first and this later. Okay, otherwise we will get in a negative sign. Now so Mona's we have done. Now we'll go backward, and again what we will see that now Sonu has invested 10% more than Mona. Okay, now this full amount is of Mona. Okay, now we have Sonu invested 10% more than Mona. Okay, so what will be Sonu's investment? Now Sonu is investing 10% more than Mona. So first we have to find out what is that 10% of Mona's income, which we know from here, plus X minus 10x upon 100. Okay, so first we are finding 10% of Mona's income, and that much we are adding to the Mona, because Sonu is investing 10% more than Mona. Okay, so now we have got the Raghu's investment that we had taken at X. Mona's investment is this and Sonu's investment is this. Now total investment we are given, that is 5780. Okay, so what we will do, we will add Raghu's investment, that is X, plus Mona's investment, which is X minus 10x upon 100, and last Sonu's investment, which comes out to be 10 upon 100 into X minus 10x upon 100 plus X minus 10x upon 100. The total investment is 5780. Okay, so I have added Raghu's, Mona's and Sonu's investment, and it is equal to 5780. Now this is just a matter of simplification. Okay, so when we will cancel this, okay, just cancel all the zeros. Okay, so now this will be what? X, I am writing it as it is. So now this is X minus X by 10. So 10x minus X plus 9x by 10 plus, now this is also, now outside the bracket we are having 1 by 10 into here also it will be 9x by 10, because X minus X by 10, so 10x minus X, 9x upon 10, plus here also 9x upon 10. So this is equal to 5780. Okay, so now here what will happen, now this is 9 and 9, it is 18x by 10, so this is X plus, and this is plus 9x upon 10 into 10 is 100, is equal to 5780. Okay, so now here in the denominator 100 is there. To make the denominator common, what I'll do, I'll just divide and multiply by 100. Now here I have to multiply by 10, so here it will be 180x plus 9x is equal to, this 100 will go here, so this will become 5780 and 2 more 0. So when we will total this, so this will be 189 plus 100, 289x is equal to 578000. So x is equal to 578000 upon 289. So when we will solve this, we will get the answer as 2000 rupees. That means the Raghu's investment is 2000 rupees, and based on this, if at all if they had asked us what is Mona's and Sonu's income, we would have also found out. Okay, so but we have only asked the amount of Raghu investment, so it is rupees 2000. Okay, so in the next video we will solve some more problems on percentage. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you all have any difficulty, you all can put your queries in the comment box. I will answer.